Okay, welcome back to my channel. So, ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon is addition of integers using algebra chips. Pero bago yan, alamin muna natin yung ating tinatawag na zero pairs. So, one positive and one negative has a value of 0 because they cancel each other out. Again, so this is called as zero pairs. Okay, so ito yung ating algebra chips. Positive black chips and a negative red chips. Each black represents positive 1 and each red represents negative 1. So, for example, this shows a value of positive 5. Since yung given natin class is positive 5, gagamit tayo ng black chips. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 black chips. And then, this shows a value of negative 6. So, negative 6, gagamit naman tayo ng 6 red chips. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, ganun lang yung paggamit ng algebra chips. Okay, can you represent 3 plus 2 using algebra chips? Okay, so put positive 3 in and then put positive 2 in, and then since all the signs are the same, you just figure out your answer. How many positive chips do we have? Okay, so meaning 3 plus 2 is equal to positive 5. Another, represent negative 4 and negative 3. So, since ang given naman natin is negative, gagamit tayo ng red chips. So, put negative 4 in and then put negative 3 in. Okay, so how many negative chips do we have? Very good. Negative 7. So, negative 4 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 7. Another. Represent positive 5 and negative 2. So, this time, ang given natin isang positive and isang negative. So, dun sa positive 5, gagamit tayo ng 5 black chips. And then, dun sa ating negative 2, put negative 2 in, dalawang red chips. Okay, so dito na natin, class, gagamitin yung ating zero pairs. Okay, do we have any zero pairs? Yes, we have. So, how many zero pairs do we have? 2. So, yung dalawang yon, ika-cancel natin. And then, 2 positive cancel out with 2 negatives. So, ilan yung matitira? 3. So, positive 3, meaning positive 5 plus negative 2 is equal to positive 3. Okay, next. Represent negative 5 and positive 3. Put negative 5 in and then put positive 3 in. So, how many zero pairs do we have? Okay, 3. So, cancel out natin yung 3. So, ilan yung matitira? 2 negative. So, negative 5 plus positive 3 is equal to negative 2. Okay, let's analyze the given examples. So, from number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay, so what have you noticed with the sign of the first two examples? So, doon muna tayo sa first two examples. So, kung mapapansin natin, yung ating first two example, parehas ng sign. So, number 1, parehas positive, and then number 2, parehas namang negative. So, if the integers have like sign, what will you do to the numbers? So, tingnan natin. Dun sa number 1, since parehas silang positive, ang naging sum nila is 5. So, meaning, pag nag-add tayo class ng dalawang number na parehas positive, ang sagot ay positive. And then, i-add lang natin yung number. So, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So, what about the sign? Anong gagawin? Yan, copy the common sign. So, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So, dun sa number 2 naman natin, parehas din ang sign. Inadd natin lang yung number. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Then, copy the common sign. Negative 4 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 7. So, dun tayo sa number 3. Positive 5 plus negative 2 is equal to positive 3. So, ayan. What if the integers have unlike signs? So, ano naman daw yung gagawin natin? So, number 3 and number 4, magkaiba ng sign. Kung sa number 1 and number 2, inadd natin, parehas ang sign. Kapag magkaiba naman ng sign, isa-subtract natin yung number. So, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And then, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. And then, paano naman yung pagkuha ng sign? So, sa number 3, sinubtract yung number, and then, ang naging sum niya is positive. So, ibig sabihin, kokopyahin mo yung sign nung mas mataas na number. So, sa number 3, mas mataas yung 5, kaya naging positive 3. Sa number 4, mas mataas din yung absolute value ni 5, kaya kinopya natin yung sign niya. Kaya naging sagot natin is negative 2 doon sa negative 5 plus 3 is equal to negative 2. Okay, so remember, if the integers have like sign, just add the numbers and copy the common sign. And if the integers have unlike sign, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and copy the sign of the number with greater absolute value. Okay, testing uli natin. Find the sum of the following. So, number 1, 5 plus 2. Okay, so since parehas silang positive, so again, when we add two numbers with same sign, just add the number, then copy the common sign. Add natin, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. And then parehas silang positive, so ang sagot natin is positive 7. Okay, next, number 2, negative 5 plus negative 2. Same sign pa rin, class. Parehas naman negative. So, again, add lang natin yung number. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then, copy the common sign. So, magiging negative 7. Okay, next. Number 3. So, negative 7 plus 3. So, magkaiba naman yung sign dito sa ating number 3. So, when we add two numbers with different sign, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So, minus natin. 7 minus 3 is 4. And then, copy the sign of the number with greater absolute value. So, kukunin natin yung sign ni negative 7. So, our final answer is negative 4. Okay, next. For number 4, 8 plus negative 5. Again, unlike sign, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So, 8 minus 5 is 3. And then, copy the sign of the number with greater absolute value. Since mas mataas si 8 kay 5, ang sagot natin is positive 3. Okay, next. For our last example, so negative 9 plus positive 9. So, kung mapapansin natin dito, magkaiba yung sign and then parehas yung ating number, parehas 9. So, negative 9 plus 9. So, dito, babalikan lang natin yung zero pair. So, since negative 9 plus 9, pagka kinancel out natin yung 9 negative and 9 positive, ang magiging sagot natin dyan ay 0. So, tatandaan lang natin, wala po tayong negative and positive 0.